is for apple. A apple, juicy and red. Apple. Crunchy and yummy. It's healthy to eat. B is for baby. B, baby, happy and small. Baby. Learning and laughing while having a ball. C is for cat. C, cat, fluffy and sweet. Cat. Meowing and purring with tiny soft feet. D is for doll. D, doll, smiling so bright. Doll, a cuddly little friend to hug every night. E is for elephant. Elephant, giant and strong. Elephant, swinging its trunk while marching along. F is for frog. Frog, jumping around. Frog, splashing in puddles with a croaky sound. G is for guitar. Guitar, music so sweet. Guitar. Playing happy tunes with a fun little beat. H is for horse. Horse, running so free. Horse, galloping fast across fields with glee. I is for insect. Insect, tiny and light. Insect, buzzing and flying from morning till night. J is for joker. Joker, funny and bright. Joker, making us giggle with jokes all night. K is for kite. Kite, colorful and high. Kite, dancing and floating up in the sky. L is for lion. Lion, roaring so loud. Lion, the king of the jungle, standing so proud. M is for mouse. A mouse, tiny and gray. Mouse, scurrying quickly and running away. N is for nest. A nest, cozy and small. Nest, keeping little baby birds safe from all. O is for orange. Orange, juicy and sweet. Orange. A yummy little fruit that's fun to eat. P is for parrot. P, parrot, colorful and bright. Parrot, talking and singing with pure delight. Q is for quail. Q, quail, gentle and small. Quail, walking through grasses so cute and tall. R is for robot. Robot, shiny and smart. Robot, helping and working with mechanical heart. S is for snake. A snake sliding on ground. Snake, moving so smoothly without any sound. T is for turtle. Turtle, steady and slow. Turtle, carrying its shell wherever it goes. U is for umbrella. Umbrella, open up wide. Umbrella, keeping us dry while rain falls outside. V is for van. Van, rolling away. Van, driving on roads all through the day. W is for watermelon. W, watermelon. Watermelon, juicy and green. Watermelon, the tastiest fruit you've ever seen. X is for xylophone. Xylophone. pure delight. Y is for yak, furry and strong, climbing the mountains all day long. Z is for zebra, zebra, striped black,